Today's concept is benefits of Facebook Pixel. Track conversions, remarketing to website visitors, optimize ads for conversions, create custom audiences, build lookalike audiences, measure ROI, better ad targeting, dynamic ads for e-commerce, track cars, device conversions, improve ad creative.
How to set up this? First going to Facebook.
First going to Facebook. After that, log in into your Facebook business account.
Just wait. Network is slow. Go to Ad Manager.
Events Manager. Click to connect data sources.
Just slow.
All
That
tools.
is going to
Events Manager.
Continue.
Click continue.
See coded. अरे
Continue pixel setup and install the code manually. Copy the code and paste it in the header header.php.
just
Go to appearance theme field editor. In that header.php, above the body head closure, above the head closure, we can paste it. Update the file. Turn on automatic advanced matching, then continue. Go to pixel overview. Um, Facebook pixel is done.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribe and like.